day when all this will fade. But until then.
Okay, got another deal not lining up, and you can see how low the latch is sitting on the deal. Now sometimes what you can do is loosen up the strike plate and loosen up the handle, and then move the whole deal up a tiny bit and see if we can get a better line up with it. There it is. So now we can just tighten our screws down. And that actually made it position off. So I'll need to loosen it a little bit. And what's happening is this top screw is really forcing it into the wrong position. So I'm going to re-drive that top screw just a hair higher. So it's not pushing the screw down. And we can do the same with the bottom screw. There we go. And now we latch perfectly. It's just a quick adjustment on this closet door. No big deal. Good to go. Thanks for watching. Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out.